How to install Bali blackout horizontal roll down blinds. First thing I got to do is get these curtains out of the way so I can see where the attachment is. We're going to use the old ones, and I think they'll work for these new blinds. Probably going to be a two-man job, one person holding it there and then the other person shoving it up in that hole there. All right, it comes also with this weighted dowel, and at the very end you've got a little compartment area that you can slide it in there. It's kind of like sewing over, so you got a little itty bitty hole there. You just got to get it open and then just shove that baby all the way down and make sure it's nice and even so it doesn't stick out of either end. Okay, now that's in, so all we've got to do now is put it up in its brackets. You're going to put it in. You got to get your, just stick it right in there. It doesn't matter. You don't have to slide it in because my side's got to go.
It's in.
You got it in there good?
It's in.
All right, you can leave that there. It's in.
Here.
That's in.
It's in.
Just go get me a screwdriver. I got to get this to push in. Once I do that, but I need a screwdriver to do it. Otherwise, I can't get it in that little hole. Just got to push that back far enough so that I can get it through there. You got to come over on this side. Okay, so I'm going to push this like this. Then I'm going to slide it up on it and right in. Ta-da. It works. Are you happy?
Yeah, but doesn't it go higher up?
You got to play with it.
Yeah, that's fine. Cool, awesome. So much better. That other thing was so gross.
And that one that's got the one side just goes in.
And they're still were $60. I thought I can get it cheaper. I couldn't.
You did a great job. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff that we haven't ever done before, but we'll do it anyway and we'll figure it out. We'll show you how to do it and you can too. Save some money. Peace out.